This is worksheet 19.3, and we're going to do number 30, which is to find the inverse of this equation. One way of finding the inverse is to make a list of the steps that are being followed in the original equation. So I'm going to make a list of the original steps, and then we're going to be able to create a list of steps in the inverse equation. So in this original equation, according to the order of operations, the first step that's occurring is that you're subtracting 1. After parentheses, we have exponent. So we're cubing that, and then we're multiplying that by 4 over 3. And then lastly, we're adding 6. To find the inverse of this equation, we're going to undo each of these operations, working backwards. So the inverse of plus 6 is minus 6. Inverse of multiplying by 4/3 is dividing by 4/3. I'm going to also just rewrite that. Instead of division by 4/3, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3/4. The inverse of cubing is cube rooting, and the inverse of subtracting 1 is adding 1. So if I now write an equation following the inverse steps, I need to subtract 6. I need to multiply that by 3 over 4. Then I need to cube root. So I need a little bit more space here. I need to cube root all of that, and then add 1 to that answer. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller to show that it's a cube root.